about to fucking flex.
And now I'm about to blow my pocket on a no chain. Left side point like a sippin' dose. I'm feeling hot, how can I cool it? This bitch a Vinci casa for it. I'll take your girl when she come to town, yeah. You got a lot to say when I'm not around. Is that all you gotta talk about? Spank a pole if you feelin' loud. Drip, drip, diamonds always hit, bitch. Roll around the town with your ex, bitch. And I'm so locked into your Netflix. Now she blow my phone with that ring ring. Now she wanna go up in my tank tank. Up late, sippin' on some Yingling. Put me up before of that lean lean. Money hit, little bitch, that's a dream team. And now she pull up in that Money Carla whippin' when she pullin' that fire. Damn. And your bitch know what I want. Run your little mouth, boy, your ass get dry for real. Bitch, out my way. All your rappers a cap. Capping off your ass, that's on God. Man, I ain't put that shit on, and I put that on game. Now I'm about to blow my pocket on a no chain. Left side point like a sippin' dose. I'm feeling hot, how can I cool it? This bitch a Vinci casa for it. I'll take your girl when she come to town, yeah. You got a lot to say when I'm not around. Is that all you gotta talk about? Spank a pole if you feelin' loud.
I got plans for the league, NBA, I got racks in my jeans, I'm a dog for the cat, I'm a fiend, eat the dick, bust it down for a pee, where they at? Need the juice and the beans, in the party, got some shawty all on me, smooth criminal, she my Billie Jean, 2 bricks of pole, I'ma break the scene, and my bitch, she so bad, she a vixen, on the set, wipe me down cause I'm drippin', 2-tone, I'm a ball like a piston, red bone on the wall doing big tricks, she a big bitch, I'ma spin her like a kickflip, I got big chips, fuck around and make your bitch dip, 24 hours of the day, I'm a big pimp, and 7 days of the week, you a big simp.
And now I'm about to blow my pocket on a no chain. Left side point like a sippin' dose. I'm feeling hot, how can I cool it? This bitch a Vinci casa for it. I'll take your girl when she come to town, yeah. You got a lot to say when I'm not around. Is that all you gotta talk about? Spank a pole if you feelin' loud. It's on my heart, yeah, you can call it robbery. It's artist on my heart, yeah, you can call it. It's artist on my heart, yeah, you can call it robbery. I ain't playing with the games, you gon' have to come and fuck with me. Oh, you ain't about your money, you gon' have to go run from me. Been acting shady, you've been looking real sauce to me.
Bling, 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 is that hotline, bitch, ayy. I got all the drip, ayy. Ice up on my wrist, ayy. Do not call my phone if you're not talking about a grip, ayy. Put it in the cuts, I'm with the gang, we out the shits, ayy. Ever since the 5th grade, Brody, you was bitch made. Now I'm at the top, you like listen to my mixtape. I can't see these people, but the diamonds watch them glitz, ayy. 24K all hit, ayy. G-Star got them sick, ayy, yeah. Now I'm in my bag. Swear these groupie bitches got me mad. You a loser, so you go outside. Bitch, I'm up, they can't catch up, they in the past, ayy.
It's artist on my heart, yeah, you can call it robbery. I ain't playing with the games, you gon' have to come and fuck with me. Oh, you ain't about your money, you gon' have to go run from me. And you've been acting shady, you've been looking real sauce to me. Filling up my cup in my Bentley truck. Riding through the city, you should know what's up. Better buy the car just to get some lunch. Hey girl, you should know what's up. They call me Houdini, I'ma disappear the roof. Might just make your lady poof. How you gonna make the move when you ain't even got no loot? It's artist on my heart, yeah, you can call it robbery. I ain't playing with the games, you gon' have to come and fuck with me. Oh, you ain't about your money, you gon' have to go run from me. And you've been acting shady, you've been looking real sauce to me.
BT.
Know a couple shooters that hit you on the block. Ain't a janitor, but I hit you with a mop. Better watch your friends, they quick to turn the odds. And that bitch nigga will play you for a thought. Ain't no style watch, yeah, my shit go TikTok. Jumping in out the bendo like it's hopscotch. My nigga in the kitchen and he whipping in the pot. Watch me see him twirl, then they drop. Gotta cut the limo just to cut the top. They be like, geez, why you always hot? 2019, we shooting videos on yachts. Baby on the bike, he be doing 12 o'clock. And I'm clipping on you niggas like a dreadlock. And my team winning and we ain't gon' stop. Bad little cheese and she suck on my cock. Nigga want smoke with me, we blow him like a tree. You niggas can't compete with a young nigga like me. And I know you wonder when GC going under. You can never see me, I'll call you Stevie Wonder. Neck so cold, it gon' probably make you stutter. A nigga like me, I don't know no other. When you on top, niggas quick to call you brother. And they be the same niggas be undercover. I keep a lethal weapon like my name, Danny Glover. Why you niggas always hate? Always talk shit, never say it to your face. Two bad bitches and they want a little taste. They set me in the jungle with gorillas in the A's. Niggas wanna ride my way, I haven't dropped a tape. You don't like my music, but you can't escape. Especially when they play my shit in every state. I always chase the bag, I can never be late. Nigga want smoke with me, we blow him like a tree. You niggas can't compete with a young nigga like me. Nigga want smoke, give it to him, let him choke. Take me for a joke, you'll get your ass poked. Wanna be like Jeezy, boy, you better take some notes. Try to scheme on me, you can never be that low. Your girl wanna fuck, she meet me backstage every show. Two-tone drip, my rollie shine in the snow.